Stonehenge, located in England, is one of the most iconic and mysterious landmarks in the world. This prehistoric monument has captured the imagination of people for centuries, with its massive stone formations standing tall on the Salisbury Plain. By using a drone to capture Stonehenge from above, visitors can gain a new perspective on the monument and its surrounding landscape. The Stonehenge landscape offers a unique and awe-inspiring experience for visitors. Surrounded by rolling green hills and an ancient burial ground, it creates a sense of wonder and intrigue. The site has been carefully preserved to maintain its historical significance and provide visitors with a glimpse into the past. Stonehenge attracts tourists from all over the globe who are eager to witness this architectural marvel firsthand. Its popularity as a tourist destination continues to grow, with millions of people making the journey each year to explore its mysteries and soak in its ancient atmosphere. Visiting Stonehenge offers an opportunity to delve into history and immerse oneself in the rich cultural heritage of England. Whether you are interested in archaeology, spirituality, or simply seeking a unique travel experience, Stonehenge is sure to leave a lasting impression.